Bananas are the fourth largest fruit crop in the world. It is estimated that 28 million tons of bananas are produced each year, 65% from Latin America, 27% from Southeast Asia, and 7% from Africa. 20% of the world's bananas are exported to Europe, Japan, and the United States. Cultivated varieties are derived from ancestors originating from the Malaysian Peninsula, New Guinea, and Southeast Asia. There are multiple varieties and cultivars, however many varieties have succumbed to the dreaded Panama disease. Panama disease, also known as Fusarium wilt, has significantly impacted banana plantations, farmers, and exports. Tens of thousands of acres in locations such as Honduras, Suriname, and Costa Rica have been destroyed due to the disease. Panama disease has also devastated one of the most popular cultivars, known as the Gros Michel or Big Michael. Before Panama disease, the Gros Michel variety dominated exports to the United States. The Cavendish subgroup, found to be resistant to Panama disease, took over as the main export in the 1950s as a replacement for the Gros Michel. Unfortunately, Panama disease is beginning to show prevalence in the Eastern Hemisphere in varieties that were once resistant. There is no known replacement for the Cavendish if it does succumb to Panama disease. How can I tell if my plant has Panama disease? Panama disease develops in the roots, which is the first site of infection. The vascular system of the leaf sheath will become dark red or brown in color. This internal feature is harder to detect. The first external symptom is a distinct yellowing of the oldest leaves. As the disease progresses, the younger leaves also become infected. Distinctive wilting follows, which eventually leads to the death of the entire canopy. How does Panama disease spread? Panama disease is caused by the fungus Fusarium oxysporum. Different strains of the fungus impact different types of bananas, but tropical race 4, also known as TR4, has been found to target the Cavendish bananas along with cooking bananas and other cultivars. The rhizomes, which often act as the seed pieces, provide a pathway for the spread of the disease. The fungus spreads through soil, water, wind, and farming machinery, and the fungus can exist in the soil for up to 30 years. Where is Panama disease currently? The threat to the Cavendish strain due to tropical race 4 is on the rise. Tropical race 4 was reported in Southeast Asia in the 1990s. It is also currently impacting large exporters in Southeast Asia, Indonesia, Australia, and Africa. There is significant fear that this strain will spread to other large areas of production in South America. How can Panama disease be treated? Unfortunately, there is currently no treatment or cure for banana trees infected with Panama disease. The fungus can survive in the soil for decades, and this has serious consequences for farmers, because once plants are infected, the soil is contaminated and will infect future banana plants grown in the same soil. The use of disease-free seed pieces is important for future growth of other banana plants. It is also important to be vigilant in the monitoring of banana plants to ensure that they do not exhibit symptoms of Panama disease. For more information on Panama disease, bananas, and other diseases that infect bananas, you can visit plantvillage.com.